Zoom in and zoom out. There you go, looks good.
All right, ready?
Yep.
If you had to go a week without your car or your cell phone, which would you choose? It's a question that we posed in our latest affluent research, and we're about to share the answers with you. With a question like this, we think it's fascinating to look at it by generation. The two biggest demographics right now, as far as advisors are concerned, are baby boomers and millennials. And there's no surprise to any of you that these two generations look at this issue a little bit differently. 47% of millennials say they'd rather have their car. Less than half. The others would prefer their cell phone. Baby boomers, 77% would rather have their car. You move it up to the seniors, those 70 plus, 90% of them would rather have their car. This is a big generational difference. Well, what factors into this? Well, for starters, millennials use their cell phones more often than the other generations. That's not a shocker. They're on their phones, they're on Facebook, they're on Twitter, they're on LinkedIn, they're doing Google searches about everything, and they're tied to these phones. They don't want to go without them. Not to mention, with the population centering around urban locations, it's easier for them to catch a ride from a friend through Uber. It's a different generation. So you might be wondering, how in the world does this affect financial advisors? Well, it's one of many signs that the world is becoming more digital. The money is with the millennials. They're going to be the biggest inheriting generation of our lifetime, and they're going digital. They're researching you online, so you got to have a strong online brand. They're finding more and more advisors online, so you have to be findable. Focus on SEO. Make sure people can find you on LinkedIn with the right keywords. Is your website mobile friendly? Are you texting with clients? Are you up on the latest trends? Did you know that Instagram has more active monthly users than Twitter? These are things, as an advisor, if you've got more than 10 years left in your career, or if you have a succession plan in place, you'll want to be ahead of, not behind.
Now, if you'd like to apply what you've just learned, you might consider our coaching. It'll help you raise your game.
You've got to ask yourself, how much new business would it take to pay for the cost of coaching? One client? Maybe two? We can help you do that.